if I want to find the mean, I need to take my z-score formula, which is set up to find z, and rearrange it so that I have a formula that is just going to give me the mean. So to get from here to here, I'm going to go through and try and isolate m. So I'll do that by, first of all, multiplying both sides by the standard deviation. These will cancel, and so I'm left with z times standard deviation is equals to x minus my sample mean. And then I need to, let's see, I don't want to be subtracting the sample mean, so I'm going to add the sample mean to both sides. So let's do that like this. So I've done the same to both sides. These will cancel because if you add something and then you take it away, or sorry, if you take away something and then you add it, it's the same as if you're just leaving that x value alone. And okay, so now I've got my sample mean plus z times the standard deviation is equals to x. Well, I don't want to be adding z times the standard deviation to the sample mean here, so I'm going to subtract that from both sides. So I'm going to write it out like this. I'm going to do the mean plus z times standard deviation minus z times the standard deviation is equals to x minus z times the standard deviation. These ones will cancel, and it's just going to leave me with what I was hoping for, just m isolated on the one side, and it's going to be x minus z times the standard deviation. So there I've got my formula. Now I can just plug my values in. So the mean is equals to my raw score, 56, minus z, which is also a negative, times the standard deviation, which is 12. So this will be 56 minus, and then negative a quarter of 12. That's going to be negative 3. So 56 minus minus 3 is the same as 56 plus 3. So I have 59 is my answer.